Where?
It's hanging on the dog's leash.
Shut the front
So
door.
I need to figure out how to just fucking whack it or. Hermione, come here, buddy.
It's moving, it's crawling, it's crawling. Oh my god. Just try it. It's sitting still. You gotta try it. Do you want a blanket like I've got?
I just feel like I'm gonna have to get one good fucking whack in there. It's not good.
If you don't do it, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. There it is. It's out in the dining room. No, you're such a chicken.
What?
I don't know. I lost it. No, it's in the dining room. Oh my god. Armani, are you okay? You're waiting too long. By the door. It's by the front door. No, it's not. Ugh. Oh my god.
Where is it?
Out flying. Hang on, let me get out of here. Because if you're going to hit it real hard, I'm going to get...
Hurry up!
Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, get it out of here, quick.
It's behind the TV.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, come on.
I have videoed the whole thing.